Here's how to reduce app tracking on Android phone by turning off advertising-related tracking features, reviewing app permissions, and restricting unnecessary access to personal data in less than 3 minutes. Today, I will show you in a step-by-step guide which privacy settings to turn off so apps collect less information about you. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You'll see the main settings screen. From there, open Privacy or Security and Privacy if your phone uses a different layout. Inside this menu, look for options such as Ads, Permission Manager, or Privacy Dashboard. If you can find them immediately, use the Settings search bar to search for Advertising ID or Ads. Next, open Ads or Advertising ID. You'll see either Delete Advertising ID or opt out of Ads personalization, depending on your device. Turn off personalized advertising by deleting your advertising ID or enabling the available opt-out option. Confirm the prompt when it appears. This prevents apps from using your advertising identifier for targeted ads, although it does not stop every type of tracking. Then return to Privacy and open Permission Manager. Review permissions for location, camera, microphone, contacts, and files one category at a time. Remove access from apps that don't need it or change permissions to allow only while using the app instead of allowing permanent access. After that, open Privacy Dashboard if your phone includes it. You'll see a timeline showing which apps recently accessed your location, camera, and microphone. If you notice an app using sensitive permissions without a good reason, tap it and revoke that permission. Now open Apps, choose apps you use regularly, and look for battery or background activity settings. If available, restrict unnecessary background activity to reduce ongoing data collection when you're not actively using the app. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Settings, use the search bar to find Advertising ID, Ads, Privacy, or Permission Manager, then disable personalized ads if available, and review each permission manually. If the Advertising ID option is missing, some manufacturers place it in a different menu, so using a settings search is usually the quickest solution. Once everything is set, your Android device will have fewer permissions granted to apps, advertising-based tracking will be reduced where supported, and the privacy dashboard will show more limited access to sensitive data over time. Following these simple steps makes reducing app tracking on Android quick and easy.